Hey, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 websites where you can use to make money online. My name is Leroy and I'm a digital entrepreneur. And the first website that I want to show you is Fiverr. If you have certain skills in say digital marketing, writing and translation, creating videos and animations, or maybe music and audio, Fiverr is your best pal to start. So you can create your account on Fiverr, and if you have created your account, it depends on your skill, what you want. You can add your job on Fiverr. So let's imagine you're good at SEO. Then you can post your job here. As you can see, these people are all posting their jobs, and one is in my currency is the euro. It's 83 euros, 15 euros, 98 euros. It depends on how good you are at your skill. This it doesn't matter what skill you have. Just go to fiverr.com, do your research, apply for an account, and post your job in there. The second page that I want to show you is ClickBank. And ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace. And that means that you can promote other people's products. And let me show you one thing. It also is for if you want to sell your own products. So that means that you can access to thousands of affiliates, sell your products without caps. So there's no income limit. And they have an automated affiliate payment system. Or you want to become an affiliate. And the benefit of becoming your own affiliate is that you don't need any product. So you can promote other people's products. And here it says up to $150 per sale. But let's take a look at ClickBank. I already created my account. So this is my back office. And at the left side, you can see all the different categories. For example, e-business and e-marketing. And if you click on that, you can see sort by results by ranking high to low. What are the most popular products? So if we go to Gravity and we can sort by high to low, you can see which products are very high demanding at the moment in the marketplace. So for example, if we go to the Click Wealth system, you can see it up here. You can make up to $250 per sale. And how do you promote these kind of products? Well, you apply for promotion. Promotion is very simple. Just click on promote. This is your nickname and then create a hop link. If you created your hop link, you can see here, this is your hop link. I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste it here. So this is your personal link. I'm sorry, I need to not in an incognito. This one is down, so I'm gonna take a different link. So newly updated for 2023, just click on promote. I'm gonna pick another one, create hop link, and then copy, and let's paste it. So this is your personal link. You can see here, question mark hub is B2People, that's my affiliate link, and you're gonna send people to this page. Where can you buy the traffic? You can create content and post it on Instagram, Facebook groups, or your personal TikTok account, or you can buy the traffic. And if you want to buy traffic, there are other traffic sources, but that's for another video. And the third website I'm gonna show you is Warrior Plus. Just go to warriorplus.com, create an account, and it's the same. You go to affiliates, then you click on offers. And here you can see all the popular offers. The ones in blue, those are above because people are paying for them. And you can watch here the different offers. So for example, if I go to, in the second column, you see sales. This one is selling more than 100,000 pieces. And if you want to get more information, just click on it. It's gonna open the website. and it isn't so fast at the moment. I'm gonna pick a different one. Oh, sorry. Here it is. So this is RPM, and the vendor is, I don't know his name, but you can see here on the funnel map, sorry, the different products. The price is €0, and the first one is 1,000 new business opportunity clicks, and the price is €920, and if somebody buys it, you get 10% commission. And you can watch here, so also on the funnel map. So you send people to this page, and this page is view sales page. You're gonna look how this page is built. Same way to buy traffic or just create content to send traffic to this certain page. And this is his sales page, and people just click on your affiliate link and they're gonna buy the RPM system. So that are the 3 websites you can use in 2023 to make money online. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.